In front of us here sits the box SRS-XV500 speaker by Sony. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Now, let's get this monster unboxed, shall we? Boom. Would you look at that? Not me, the speaker. And it even comes with a user manual and a power cable. I, for one, can never get enough cowbell. Now, this speaker boasts twin front-mounted high-efficiency tweeters that deliver precise mid-range and highs that give you that crisp, clear-sounding vocal, which we'll soon experience during our sound test. But before we do that, let's talk about some of its other great features, shall we? Like the pair of two massive X-balanced woofers, because you can never get enough bass. Right, John? Yeah! Now, all I gotta do to unleash this incredible bass is simply touch this mega bass button on the front touch panel right here. And since this touch panel is splash resistant, you don't even have to worry about Spillie Susan spilling her drink all over it during the next get-together. Most party rooms tend to be on the dark side. This puppy lights up. Check this out. Not only does this bad boy come with a 3-band equalizer, you can also pair up to two XV500s wirelessly with the pairing feature. And if you like karaoke or you play guitar, right here, there's a mic input, and then there's your guitar input. And it has a separate echo for the guitar and voice. Take your karaoke game to the next level. Sony also thought of a key control feature where you can adjust the key of your song to better match your voice. Did I mention the XV500 has up to 25 hours of battery life on a single charge? There's even a quick charge feature that gives you up to 2.5 hours of playback with only 10 minutes of charging. Now that's bananas. Oh, you can say that again, senior goat. And don't worry about charging batteries, man, because Sony's thought of that too. Right here is a battery care button. Just hit that and your charging worries are a thing of the past. Seriously, I'm exhausted from all these features just talking about them. But that is not going to stop me from doing a sound test. No way. Lose your mind, girl. Yeah. Lose your mind, girl. Yeah. Lose your mind, girl. Damn, dude, what you doing hanging on the wall, Can't you see those chickens down the hall, They be playing you like a ball, Crystal. Damn, dude, what you doing hanging by the bar, Can't you see those chickens from afar, They be eyeing you like a star, like a crystal. As you can see, the XV500 delivers amazing sound, whether it's standing up or laying pretty. If I had to sum up this incredible speaker behind me with one word, I would definitely say fun. Not sure why that was so hard to say, but combine that with superior audio quality and amazing features you can only expect from a company that's been in the music business for like forever.